Hello everyone, welcome to our legal advice sections of TLK Lawfirm. Recently, we have received many questions about work permit for foreigners. The question is, I am a Korean and I want to come to Hanoi, Vietnam to work. Do I need to apply for a work permit according to Vietnamese regulations? Hello. I am a legal consultant from TLK Lawfirm in Hanoi, Vietnam. Regarding your questions, TLK Lawfirm would like to clarify as follows. First, let's understand what a work permit is. A work permit is a legal document that allows foreign workers to work legally in Vietnam. A valid work permit must be issued by the State Management Agency on labor in Vietnam, which includes, firstly, the Employment Department under Ministry of Labor, Invalids and Social Affairs. Secondly, the Department of Labor, Invalids and Social Affairs, where the foreign worker is expected to work. The work permit specifies the foreign worker's information, including full names, passport number, date of birth, nationality, name and address of the organization where the work will take place, positions, and duration of work. So, in which cases it is necessary to apply for a work permit and what are conditions for foreigners to be granted a work permit when working in Vietnam. According to the 2019 Labor Code, foreign workers who want to work in Vietnam need to meet the following conditions: be 18 years of age or older and have full civil capacities. Secondly, have professional qualifications, technical skills, expertise, and work experience. Thirdly, have sufficient health as stipulated by the Minister of Health. Fourthly, not be someone who is currently serving a sentence or has not had their criminal record expunged or is under criminal prosecutions as per French or Vietnamese law. Fifthly, have a work permit issued by Vietnamese state authorities, except in case where a work permit is not required according to the provisions of the 2019 Labor Code. Thus, French nationals who meet the above conditions as prescribed by law will be allowed to work in Vietnam, enjoying rights and responsibility in accordance with the law. However, the Vietnamese government also have flexible policies and exemptions from work permit requirements in certain special cases. According to the 2019 Labor Code and Decree No. 152/2020 NDCP, foreigners working in Vietnam are exempt from the requirement for a work permit in the following cases. Firstly, owners of capital contributing member of a limited liability company with a capital contributions value as prescribed by the government. Secondly, chairpersons of the board of members or members of the board of directors of a joint stock company with a capital contribution values as prescribed by the government. Thirdly, heads of representative offices, projects, or those who are primarily responsible for the operations of international organizations or foreign non-governmental organizations in Vietnam. Fourthly, entering Vietnam for less than 3 months to offer services for sales. Fifthly, entering Vietnam for less than 3 months to handle complicated technical and technological incidents that affect or may affect productions and business that Vietnam and currently available foreign experts in Vietnam cannot resolve. Sixthly, French lawyers who have been granted a lawyer practicing certificate in Vietnam in accordance with the law on lawyers. Seventhly, cases according to international treaties to which the Socialist Republic of Vietnam is a member. Eighthly, foreigner married to Vietnamese citizens and living on territory in Vietnam. And ninthly, other cases as prescribed by the government. Therefore, to determine whether a foreigner coming to work in Vietnam needs to apply for a work permit, we need to consider many criteria. However, the questions you send to TLK Lawfirm does not include all the criteria, so we cannot assess and assist you in determining whether you need a work permit in Vietnam. Besides the issues of work permits, you also need to pay attention to other residence issues such as visas, temporary resident cards, etc. to live and work stably in Vietnam. We recommend you consult a local lawyer in Vietnam and provide more information about your work planned in Vietnam so that the lawyer can assist you fully and legally. Alternatively, you can leave your consultant needs in the comment sections below or contact TLK Lawfirm in Hanoi, Vietnam for the fastest support on this matter.